Transform your backyard on a budget, easy and cheap landscaping ideas. A lush and inviting backyard is a dream for many homeowners, but often the cost of landscaping can be a deterrent. However, with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can transform your backyard into a beautiful oasis without breaking the bank. In this article, we will explore budget-friendly landscaping ideas that will help you achieve an outdoor makeover that is both affordable and stunning. Backyard transformation. Start with a plan. Before embarking on your backyard transformation, it's essential to have a clear plan in mind. Assess your space and consider how you want to utilize it, whether it's a cozy outdoor living area or a vibrant garden. Having a vision will help guide your decisions and ensure a cohesive and harmonious design. DIY projects. Unleash your creativity. One of the best ways to save money on landscaping is by taking on DIY projects. From building a raised garden bed to creating a fire pit area, there are endless opportunities to showcase your creativity. Not only will you save on labor costs, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you accomplished it yourself. Low-cost improvements. Enhance the aesthetics. There are several low-cost improvements you can make to enhance the aesthetics of your backyard. Consider adding a fresh coat of paint to your fences or repurposing old pallets as planters. These simple upgrades can make a significant difference in transforming your backyard into an inviting space. Affordable ideas. Optimize the space. When working with a tight budget, it's crucial to optimize the space you have. Explore vertical gardening by utilizing hanging baskets or building trellises for climbing plants. This will not only add greenery to your backyard but also create an illusion of a larger space. Outdoor living, create a backyard oasis. Transforming your backyard into a relaxing oasis doesn't have to cost a fortune. Consider adding cozy seating areas with budget-friendly outdoor furniture or repurposing old wooden pallets as a unique dining table. Incorporate elements like string lights and outdoor rugs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Creating a backyard oasis on a budget is not only feasible but also incredibly rewarding. By utilizing affordable ideas, DIY projects, and simple upgrades, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven that reflects your style and personality. Remember to plan carefully, optimize your space, and unleash your creativity to achieve a stunning backyard transformation without breaking the bank. With a little effort and ingenuity, you can enjoy the beauty and tranquility of your own outdoor haven for years to come. Creating a stunning outdoor space doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can transform your backyard into a tranquil oasis without draining your wallet. In this video, we'll explore budget-friendly landscaping ideas and simple upgrades that will give your outdoor living area a fresh and inviting makeover. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to a beautiful backyard transformation on a budget. Plan and prioritize. Before embarking on any project, it's essential to create a plan. Assess your backyard's current state and identify areas that require improvement. Determine your priorities and set a budget that aligns with your financial goals. By having a clear vision and a budget in mind, you can make informed decisions throughout the process. Embrace DIY projects. One of the most cost-effective ways to transform your backyard is by embracing do-it-yourself projects. From building a raised garden bed to creating a stone pathway, there are endless possibilities for DIY enthusiasts. Not only will this save you money, but it will also add a personal touch to your outdoor space. Opt for low-cost improvements. Sometimes, the simplest changes can make the biggest impact. Consider painting your fences or wooden structures with a fresh coat of paint to breathe new life into them. Adding colorful cushions and outdoor rugs can instantly revitalize your patio furniture. These low-cost improvements can transform the overall aesthetic of your backyard without breaking the bank. Create a backyard oasis. Transform your backyard into a serene oasis by incorporating elements of nature. Planting vibrant flowers, shrubs, and trees not only adds beauty but also attracts birds and butterflies. Install a small water feature, such as a bird bath or a mini pond, to create a soothing ambience. Adding outdoor lighting creates a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings. Transforming your backyard on a budget is not only achievable but also an exciting opportunity to unleash your creativity. By incorporating budget-friendly landscaping ideas, Embracing DIY projects, and making simple yet impactful upgrades, you can create a backyard oasis that you'll be proud to show off. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your tools, and let the transformation begin.